Hello there. I'm excited to share with you 5 updates related to visuals in Power BI. These tips will not only save time, but make it easier to customize and enhance your reports. Let's take a look.
This year's Power BI May release includes updated formatting support that extends to small multiples, waterfall, and matrix visuals. This new feature allows for more efficient interaction for visuals. Instead of searching for formatting in the options, you can now double-click on the visual and the formatting toolbar opens up and the visual and all the visuals on that page will go to the formatting mode. This update is a significant time saver. You can just click on the visual component you would like to format and the formatting options for that component are directly visible. Change the title, change the line, shape, color, and so on. This update, introduced last year, expanded the options for line styles from just 1 to 3. Previously, only the linear option was available. And currently, you can see if I select this visual, I have the smooth option. Well, series I have selected all because I want to make changes for all the lines that I have in this line chart. And the type is smooth. This was before, and this was the only option before the update. And now we have the smooth option that I like the most. It's like it goes smoothly from one month to another. And there's also another option that is the step. Well, for the sales, it does not really suit this type of the chart. This can be good for the step costs, for example. So I will go back to the smooth option. And after the May update, more customization is possible. You can select the line types, how you like. You can hide and show lines, and just all the line patterns can be customized. In the bar and column charts, now you can have bars or columns overlap in your visuals, like I have it here. Well, I'm already in a formatting mode. That means I've double-clicked on a visual. And when I click on a bar, then in the formatting, I have all the options already visible related to this visual component. Series, for the overlapping, select all because it does not work for the individual series. And go to layouts. If it's just closed, open it. And you will have the options under the layout, and you can notice this new button that was not there before. It's the overlap. I have it on, but let's turn it off. And this was the old version of the bar chart before the update. And let's go back, find that one. It's so easy to find all the options when you just click on a component. So let's go there, turn it on, and you can see that there is also another option that is flip overlap. Currently I have it off because of coloring I prefer to overlap in this way. But if you would like in another way, then you can turn this on also, and you see now the top bar overlaps the down one. So it depends on the colors of the bars as well. So I will turn it on in my case. Well, another new great update related to visuals. After the May update, now we can change the layout of a matrix by selecting from 3 different options, and before we had only one. Let's go to the formatting options, then open layout and style and check the options here. Well, style, we already had several styles to choose from. The update is here in the layouts. Before there was only the compact option available and it looked like this. This is also fine and I still use it in many matrices, but I'm very happy that there are more options now to choose from. One of them is the outline option that looks like this, and another is the tabular one. And well, I like the tabular layout, so I started using the tabular layout directly. And there is also the option to have row headers on or off. In this case, I have them on, and also the blank rows. I turn them on, you can switch them off or on, and it gives more separation between the different categories. With these updates, Power BI metrics now are more similar to Excel pivot tables. Last but not least, it's possible to multi-select visuals and format them together. I will select at least two of them, 1 and 2, and let's see what we have in the formatting toolbar. With multi-select, only formatting options are possible, which are shared between the selected visuals. As I have a bar chart and a line chart selected, to format the line for the line chart while the bar chart is also selected is not possible, as that is a unique element for the line one. However, turning titles on or off and making other changes in the size and style are possible with this efficient way. As you can see, I have the shadows on here. This can be done quite easily from the multi-select. Size and style and shadows, I have them on. If you want to turn them off, on, just multi-select the visuals and you can format them in one go rather than selecting the visuals individually.
Well, these were the 5 tips to make your reporting experiences more efficient and enjoyable. Let me know down in the comments which tip you found the most useful. Thanks for watching.